10 mind-blowing features of Descript AI video editor. Welcome to the next era of video and podcast editing. Descript AI has reimagined every step of the workflow: transcription, cutting, audio cleanup, and even on-camera magic. Today we are exploring 10 standout features, each backed by powerful AI, complete with actionable steps so you can start using them right away. Whether you are a solo podcaster or a part of a production team, Descript's toolkit will streamline your process and polish your final product. The very first feature, AI green screen. Descript's AI green screen completely removes your background. No physical green screen needed, so you can record anywhere and still get a studio quality look. It employs machine learning to detect and isolate a single subject, then seamlessly composites in any image or footage you choose. This is perfect for remote interviews, on-the-road vlogs, or simply when you don't have space for a traditional setup. Even complex edges like hair or glasses are handled smoothly, thanks to advanced edge detection algorithms. Use it to transport your subject anywhere, from a virtual set to a branded backdrop, in just a few clicks. So how to apply it? Import your clip into Descript. Select it, open Effects, Background Removal, then choose Green Screen. Fine-tune edge softness and spill suppression. Choose your uploaded new background and apply. Moving forward, Feature 2, Descript AI Voices. With Overdub, you can generate hyper-realistic voiceovers in your own voice by typing your script. Descript uses voice cloning models trained on a speech to produce seamless, consistent narration. No re-recording needed for small fixes. It's a lifesaver when you realize a typo or want to add an extra line after recording. And you can choose from multiple regional accents and speaking styles, ensuring your brand voice stays on point. The result is a polished voice track ready for your timeline in seconds. So how can you apply it? For that, go to Overdub tab, create new voice, provide voice training audio if prompted, type or paste your correction script, select your voice model, click generate. Then drop the audio onto your timeline. Feature 3, Automatic Multicam Editing. Tired of manual cutting between camera angles in interviews or panel discussions? Descript's automatic multicam editing does it all for you by detecting who is speaking and switching angles accordingly. It syncs all your clips using audio waveform matching, then applies smart rules you configure, like minimum shot length or preferred speaker angles. In less than 10 seconds, you have a multi-camera cut that would have taken minutes or hours in traditional editors. You can then tweak any transitions or override cuts, giving you complete creative control over the pacing. So how can you apply it? Import all angle clips into one project. Select them, open Underlord, looks good, then head towards the option Automatic Multicam. Set cut frequency and camera as priority. Click Submit, then review and refine in the timeline. Feature 4, Eye Contact Correction. Eye contact correction solves the classic teleprompter problem. You look down at your script instead of the camera. Descript's AI softly warps your pupils and head orientation so it appears you are looking straight into the lens, boosting engagement and professionalism. It works best when your face fills most of the frame and you are not turning sharply away. The effect preserves natural facial expressions, avoiding the creepy doll look of overcorrection. For anyone who needs to read lines yet maintain connection with viewers, this feature is a game changer. How to apply? Select your clip in the timeline. Open Underlord. Then head towards the option Looks Good. Under Looks Good, you'll find the option Eye Contact. Adjust the intensity slider to taste. Click Apply. Feature 5, Remove Background Noise. Studio Sound harness deep learning to remove hums, hisses, and ambient noise, turning rough recordings into broadcast quality audio. Unlike simple filters, it analyzes your voice spectral fingerprint and reconstructs missing or maxed frequencies, delivering clear, natural sound. You don't need a quiet studio. Record on location and let Descript clean up traffic, your conditioning, or room echo. The process is non-destructive, so you can toggle or fine-tune the effect if you want more or less processing. It's like having a professional sound engineer built into editor. To apply it, highlight the audio or video clip, Go to Effects, then Studio Sound. Toggle on Preview and adjust the strength slider. Click Apply. Feature 6. Shorten word gaps. Long, awkward pauses can kill pacing, right? Descript shorten word gaps compresses any silence above your chosen threshold, say from 1.5 seconds down to zero point 0.5, across the entire project. You catch every thought without dragging the runtime, and you never have to hunt for gaps manually. It also updates your transcript to match, so captions and subtitles stay accurate. If a particular pause feels too tight, you can still insert manual splits and overrides. How to apply it? For that, navigate to the option Underlord. Looks good. Shorten word gaps. Enter your desired max gap length. Click Apply, then review for any overly snappy moments. Feature 7. Clip Generator. Need a batch of promo clips or social media teasers? Clip Generator uses AI to find and extract your top moments, like dramatic reveals or funny outtakes, and spits out individual subprojects for each. You define parameters, and Descript builds each clip with intros, outros, and consistent branding if desired. It even creates thumbnail shots from the best frames. This automates what used to be dozens of manual edits, leaving you to fine-tune rather than scratch your head over which segments to choose. To apply it, select the full session reason, open Underlord, create, then head towards the option Clip Generator. Specify clip purpose. Click Generate, then review each sub-project. Feature 8. Remove Retakes. Remove Retakes automates the cleanup of multiple takes by scanning your script for repeated text and keeping only the best performance. It typically favors the final, most polished take, but you can adjust sensitivity or manually approve suggestions. This clears out filtered draft or stumbles with one click, cutting hours of combining through footage. After removal, Descript reflows your timeline and transcript together, so you can maintain perfect lip sync and text accuracy. It's ideal for tutorial shoots or any session with lots of trial and error. To apply it, highlight the transcript or clip with repeats, go to Underlord, then Looks Good, select the option Remove Retakes, adjust sensitivity as needed, click Apply and review the changes. Feature 9. AI Avatars. AI avatars let you create a lifelike virtual presenter who speaks your script with realistic lip sync and expressions. Choose from diverse avatar models, human, animated, or brand mascots. Then input text and generate an MP4. It's perfect for multilingual content, accessibility narration, or simply scaling production without a camera crew. Avatars can speak dozens of languages, each with native intonation. Once generated, you can overlay them on backgrounds, insert into timelines, or export for standalone use. To apply it, open the Avatars panel, click Create New Avatar, select a model. Paste your script, choose language or voice style, click Generate. Then drag the MP4 into a sequence. Feature 10. Create Highlight Reels. Highlight Reels automatically compiles your most engaging segments into a shareable trailer, ideal for episode previews, pitch decks, or even recaps. You set the target length and preferred pacing, and Descript arranges clips with smooth transitions. You can choose a theme, teaser, dramatic, educational, and the AI matches music pacing if you upload a track. Post-generation, you get a ready-to-export reel or can tweak clip order and titles. To apply it, select your project or time frame. Under Underlord, select the option Create, choose Highlight Reel, enter a desired duration and select a layout or theme. Click Generate, then fine-tune the sequence. With text-based cuts, AI-powered audio and video policing, and even virtual hosts, Descript AI delivers a full suite of tools that turn editing from a chore into a joy. Each feature, from green screen to Underlord, works in harmony, letting you move seamlessly between transcription, cleanup, and creative enhancement. Which feature will you try first? Let us know in the comments below.